SPK PAL S135 is a Bluetooth laptop or any type of external speaker. You can turn on the light display by turning the center knob, adjusting the volume. It changes to different colors, and not just a single color, but many multicolors. You could change from Bluetooth to the other mode by pressing a button.
Bluetooth mode.
You go to your smartphone and you open up the program.
$25,000 summer cash giveaway going on now.
And you're able to play 10 watts of power. You need to set up your Bluetooth by going to the Bluetooth setting and choose S135 for the soundbar. Now, if you wanted to hook it up to something that's 3.5 millimeter, you change the button by the feather touch.
AUX mode.
And we're able to talk via the external microphone that I'm using so you can hear the sound. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with this Bluetooth speaker. And let me show you on top, the touch sensitive button. You have lights all over the knob. You could turn it off entirely, and you could change from Bluetooth to the standard mode. And there are the baffles, and it's plugged in by USB and ran off of USB. I hope you enjoy the SPK PAL S135 PC soundbar.